Cleveland, Tennessee for the car show. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's go see some hot rods. Hopefully I see a purple. I love the color purple and green, so hope we see it. Don't forget to smile at somebody, and I'll see you later on in the video. Bye. You coming? Yeah. A Corvair. Don't see many of them at the car show. Right there. You can just tell I'm hanging out with my daughter and granddaughter. Have you ever rode in one of these? You get in that thing and you're sitting on the ground and you can't even see over that hump. Dad took me for a ride in one time. I was like, nope, not doing it. I like this one.
Look at the blue stripe.
Oh, look at the red and white one. Eat more possum. I gotta get that. Is that a Georgia or Tennessee thing? Here's Old Blue. Why are you in such a hurry? Wavy, what you think about this blue car?
You like the blue one?
So nice. That's like Papa's car. I was so glad I was with you when you come to your first car show.
When did we first come to Tennessee?
I told you, I said, Wavy, you're in Tennessee. You like that Woody wagon? Oh, I couldn't drive it though. How much was it when they bought it? You like that, Wavy? It's so cute. That one's more your size. Oh. Ooh, look at that red one. Ooh, that looks so good. What is that? A Buick? I don't know what. Is it? Wow, that's nice. So nice. It's a Buick Skylark. I think it's the first one I've come across. And this one is a Le Mans. A Pontiac Le Mans. Wow, that's nice. So nice. And Wavy likes the yellow one. Wavy, how you like the blue? This is like what my parents drove when I was a kid. Go. Yeah, it's a Chevrolet. We had one of them. Man, that thing was long. How you like this Bel Air, Wavy?
You're about to send us down. That's why I went to
I see a purple one. We're gonna go to that and then I gotta come back up this side.
I know. I figured it was really
Look at that. Oh, look at the green. There's pink and purple.
You like the pink one over there? Over here. See it? Look, Wavy.
Oh, here comes one.
Where?
Oh my goodness, this does keep going. I see the pink one.
On that one side road.
Oh, this is food. Man, it keeps going that way. Oh, this wind is not going to be good. Oh, look at that Chevelle Super Sport. Woo! A Nova. This is like Papa's Chevy. See the two? Chevy 2 Nova. I just learned that today. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, I like the green one, Wavy. Here comes a green one, or Doodlebug.
Oh, that's behind
Car
him.
behind him. Trying to tell him there's a car behind him. Those wheels. They like the Chevy 2 Novas here. That's a pretty color. In the back seat. There's Minnie. You see him? Mickey. Oh, they dressed up. Hey. And my daddy had one, and we got 6 people in that thing. Oh, we did crank it. Ooh. We found the crowd. Oh, look at that red car. Isn't it pretty? Look how bright it is. This one right here, this is what Papa likes. Oh, I hear one coming. That one is sharp, Wavy. It's green. It's so green. Let me look in it. We are. That's where we're going. Tell her we saw the Hulk. Ooh, that blue Camaro is so nice. You see Mommy yet? Look at this yellow car. Goodness. Wow. There's Mommy. Well, that one is not a rat rod. It's a street rod.
Baby, can I have some?
But I could be wrong. Oh, here's another car like Papa's. Yeah, this wind's gonna mess mine up.
Right, it's really good.
Is it real juicy? That's a real pineapple. That's like pineapple. Here comes a doodlebug. Maybe say, hey, doodlebug. I see a pink one. Is that your pink Cadillac? Purple one, Wavy. It's coming. It's a purple one. Ooh, look at the silver one. It's very pretty. See the purple? I call them gangster cars. Oh, I like the one on the end down here. The Broncos are nice. Those things are like $50,000. I believe I like the old ones better than I like the new ones. Comfy seats. Yep, Lee. Ooh, let me get this one. Ooh, that's so pretty. I hear a choo-choo. Nice seats. No back seats. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep with all the race cars. These seats are kind of metallic too. So you guys should be to sit in.
Appreciate all of the men and women that look forward to it. And I've enjoyed seeing a few scooters and everything like that out here as well. Okay, I do ask that people please be respectful to all of the stuff like that through here. Signs.
You're fine. I knew there'd be something here for Taylor and Wavy. Like those flames. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh, it is. It's a tight squeeze in there.
It's red.
Oh no. Go tell Papa. It's green. We can go now. This car makes me feel short. I see Wavy a car. You see it? It's her size. It's in the back of this truck. Look, it's orange. Look, it's a. Can't touch it. It might bite. Look at the ghosts on it. The mummy. Yeah, I think I paid attention to that side because of the 50s. Is that Dad at the...
Wait, okay, if you fall out of it.
Oh, they're cranking up these. Watch out in case he goes forward. So he can turn. Those sound so good. I know, it looks so good. Are they all leaving or what? It's so cute. Look, he's got a blue M&M. Oh, I like it. Where was that one at? I hadn't seen it. you enjoyed the car show in Cleveland. It was fun, a little windy, but fun. Anyways, have a good day and don't forget to smile at someone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.